Hey guys, how's it going? The project I'm working on today is an oil change for this 1993 Honda Accord. For this project, it's going to be a pretty simple oil change. No tires need to come off the car like in the Civic. So I'm going to be using some automotive ramps to get the car up and get the oil changed out. So here are the tools that I'm going to be using. Oil filter wrench adapter. A normal adjustable wrench to remove the drain plug. There's my new oil filter, oil catch pan funnel to put the new oil in, and the automotive ramps. So this ramp has a little clearance issue with the front bumper of the car, so I put some pieces of wood to help alleviate that, and some other things to know about changing the oil on this car. It's much easier to have one of these oil filter wrench adapters. So this one is a 3-inch or 75 millimeter, and that matches up with the oil filter which is installed on the vehicle. So this goes here and it goes on top of there. Makes it much easier to remove the filter from the engine block. Alright, let's see if I can drive the car up onto the ramps properly. Looks good. Alright, so here I am underneath the Honda Accord. Right here we've got the oil drain bolt, which I'll be removing to drain out the old oil. And then just up above a little bit is the oil filter right here, this black cylinder. So that's going to come out after I get the oil drain bolt out and get the old oil flowing out. Some various engine parts we have here. There's our CV joint, front left drive shaft. Right here we've got the exhaust manifold. Exhaust header is up there. We've got the transmission casing here. This is our power steering. Not much else to see. Oh, actually this is the front suspension stabilizer bar. Pretty beefy bar. Alright, so let me get the oil drain bolt off and get this oil change going. Alright, I've removed the old oil filter. I'm getting ready to place the new filter on the engine. Previously I had a Bosch unit. They're a premium filter with Filtech filtration system, whatever that is. Going in is a nice little orange Fram Extra Guard unit. So I was reminded that the proper way to lubricate the rubber gasket on the new oil filter is with the new oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just drip a little bit of that on there. Get my finger and some. That going around. Alright, very good. Wipe that hand off. Alright, I've got the new oil filter installed on the car, and now I am up top getting ready to put the new oil into the engine. So here we have our oil filter cap. Get that guy off. Set it down over here. And then get my funnel. Get the funnel in at a convenient angle. So this car takes 4 quarts of 10W30 conventional motor oil. So before I started the oil change, I did run the car for probably about 10 minutes, because this car doesn't get driven very often. Warm up the motor, get the oil softened up. Alright, there's the first quart. 1 down, 3 to go. Put the cap back on that thing. Cap's on. Gone. Alright, next one. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. One hand for the camera, one hand for the car. Put it on the ground. I don't have a helper today, so I'm on my own. Second quart. Every last drop of that oil out. Got most of it. Okay, chuck that one. Next one. Quart number 3. Formula Shell Clean Engine Formula. Formula Shell 10W30 is a premium multi-grade motor oil formulated to provide excellent cold weather engine protection. Helps reduce engine friction, enhances fuel economy, protects against the formation of sludge, varnish, and rust. Meets API service categories SM, SL, SJ. Energy conserving, and IL/SAC GF4. Follow manufacturer's recommendations for viscosity grade and API service category. Warning: continuous contact with used gasoline engine oils has caused skin cancer in animal tests. Avoid prolonged or repeated contact with eyes, skin, and clothing. Wash skin with soap and water after handling. Keep out of reach of children. For health emergencies or consumer information, call 1-877-276-7285. Save resources. Please recycle used oil and bottle. Fun stuff. Okay, so for the time it took to read the back of the oil bottle, I emptied out the oil. Check that. Alright, last one. Alright, that's the 4th quart. Just about done. Trying to get away from me. Nope, you're not going to get away. Okay, now check that one. Okay, so got the oil in the engine. New oil, that is. Filling cap back on. Okay, now I'm gonna start the car up, get it off the ramps, get it back on flat ground, and check the oil level. Alright, I'm gonna back the car down off of the ramps now. Alright, cool. That worked out. Alright, here I am in the engine compartment. Gonna check the oil level. So, the oil dipstick is this guy right here. Get a piece of paper out. I can wipe the dipstick when I bring it out. So, there's our dipstick. Insert it back into the hole here. And that guy all the way down there. Give it a few more seconds so the oil that's been thrown around in the engine can make its way back down to the lower crankcase. And this is a 93 Accord. It's got, what motor is this? The F22A6 with the electronic fuel injection. The program fuel injection they call it. There's our air filter housing, air intake plenulum. Alright, let's see how the oil level looks. It's hard to tell. Hard to tell where the oil level is. That's alright. I've just put in 4 quarts. Probably running a little bit more than 4 quarts because the old oil, you still get some remaining old oil in the engine. So that's pretty much it. The oil change is complete. The good old 1993 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching.